Troy's Black Student Union have offered students an opportunity to pick up school supplies as they get settled into the start of the semester. The catch? The supplies are all free.
Everything from pens to composition notebooks to folders. The Black Student Union here at Troy are offering all students an opportunity for free school supplies.
Giving out school supplies, making sure everybody has what they need for class, whether that be a pen, a notebook, whatever that may be. So they need it, we got it.
The Black Student Union showcased their leadership by making sure that all students have what they need. Treasurer of the Black Student Union, Shantae Valerie, says that this event allows them to give back, and the organization wants this event to reflect on the importance of student support and that the Black Student Union are there to do just that.
We're just giving back to the students. That way they know that we are here. We're here to support the students here as well.
Open to nationalities of all kinds, the Black Student Union invite and encourage students to join and be a part of the union, regardless of background.
I've learned how to be a better leader, and I've learned how to incorporate everybody into everything on campus.
Come out, support. That's what we're trying to do for this campus.
An interest meeting will be held August 26th in Patterson Hall, room 105 at 5:30 p.m., and all other information will be posted on the organization's Instagram at TroyBSU for students that are interested.
Come, we're open, we'll welcome you with open arms. Don't be afraid, just come on in.
Talor Waymon, Troy, TrojanVision News.